Hello guys, so today we're gonna be playing don't press the button for. Okay, so this is actually a fun game, I'm not gonna lie. And I am not putting my volume up because I don't want my video copyright. Okay, so I have a lot of things in my inventory. This can make lightning, this gives me HP, full HP, and this makes me more faster. Yay! Okay, and this makes some blocks. And this makes me jump higher. Ah! Okay, this makes me smaller. Let me prove it to you. Boop! Hee. Oh no! Wait, I don't even need to jump. Anyways. Survived. I survived. Yay! I survived. Ah! Oh no. Wait, I have an idea. Haha. It's not gonna kill me. Yes. You might be dead because these things can actually disappear and then you will touch the acid and watch out for mines. Actually, I am not worrying about mines because I have a jetpack. Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god! I just won. Let me actually respawn for my jetpack. Yes. Okay. Wait. Oh. Okay. Let's go to the top. Wait, I want to become smaller. Ah! Good. I just drank that thing and now it is not good. Okay. Let's go a little bit faster. Please. Okay. Stick some. No! Oh, I'm so sad. And I need to get more faster. Yes, and yes. What? Okay, go. Oh. Okay. Yes. Okay, drink. Come on. Yes. No. Yes. Drink. Come on. Yes. Yes, I won. Still room for the pumpkin? Okay. I'm just gonna. Okay. Just like some lightning. Yes, run away. Yes. Yes. Wait, I'm gonna be back. I am back. Hello. Okay. There's the pumpkin behind me. Oh my god, there's 2 players left. Oh, going back. I am drinking this. Yes! And also, kids, stay away from energy drinks. Yes! The pumpkin is gonna die. The monster has died. Okay. Let's go. Bruh, I want to collect coins. Now I am big again, which I don't want to be big. And let's go invisible. I mean, I can still... Oh, was blessed and got higher walk speed. Okay. Silly. Her name is Silly. Oh, wait, I know this game. It's so fun. Okay. I have a jetpack, so I don't need to worry. If I didn't have that, if I didn't jump, I would have died. Okay. Come. Okay, this girl, this tall girl, she could have died. But he is. Okay, let's not get in here. Okay, blue. My favorite color is yellow. Okay, green pad. Blue pad. Lightning. Yeah. Yellow pad. Oh my god. 3 players are right. Only one that is correct. Can I just go here? Oh wow, I can cheat. I can just. Oh. Well, I'll have to. I wish I could cheat. 0? No! I wanna become small. I wanna become. Become small. Wait, I know this game. I can come here and wait. Nobody can actually come here. She can't come here. She can't come here. She can't come here. She can't come here. Yes. Okay, so I guess I put my feet up and relax. I just stay here. Okay. Oh my god. Wait, is she the seeker? Is she trying to get in? Oh, she's hiding. Wait, I'm not the seeker. Okay, I'm trying to trick him. I'm not going. I am not. I don't want. Yes. I won. Yes. Come on. I just dropped. First of all, I just jumped. Oh no. I just dropped. Ugh. Let me be small again, please. Yeah. I became small. Okay. Can we walk over here? Oh wait, there's a barrier. Oh no! Okay. Get ready. Well, I don't need to get ready because I have a jetpack. I think I know where we are supposed to go. If my jetpack runs out, I'm actually dead. Okay, yes. I'm actually respawn because my jetpack, or I can just wait. Okay. Oh my god, someone has a hot cheese sauce. Okay, come on, fuel faster, please. Oh no, a game is about to start. Firing. Wait, no, I know what is going. I'm actually dead. If I die, I have an HP box. It hits me. I mean, ugh. Who is killing me? Someone was killing me, but it's okay. Cause I mean, those gears are part of the game, so it's okay. Quick snack to help you on your way. Well, I don't want to be on my way. Okay. I don't fly. Oh my god! Wait, I know what is going on. Lucky I have a jetpack. Okay, Ryan. Where the heck is that guy? Ryan. What does he look like? Come. Wait, is that guy a YouTuber? Ooh. Hey. No way! Please don't get me. You know you can just. Wait, can I just? Like, oh man, I survived. Wait, let me see. Where is the button? Where is the button? Wait, let me actually. Yay! I want to be small. Yes. Wait, I think I saw a yellow thingy. Oh, I thought you were an egg. Okay. Where are the eggs? Yay! Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Where are the eggs? Oh my god. Did they put no eggs in here? Wait, I see. Oh, I thought this mushroom was egg. But anyways, I want to find an egg. When is the egg gonna come? Is it gonna just teleport to me? Okay, this guy literally has two. Oh wait, she's a girl. Why is her name? What just happened? Let me reconnect. I am so sorry, guys. What? Okay. Am I getting hacked? This is starting to creep me out. Okay, I'm gonna change my sitting position. Okay. Okay. Ooh, okay. Wait, I know this game. Guys, I'm playing this game because I'm saving up for the rainbow carpet. It's literally 15,000 and I have 2,000 coins. I can only afford. Wait, shoot other players. That's actually so fun. Slow down your enemies by shooting them with this. Okay, I sound like a buck. Okay, I'm gonna try to save up. I actually don't know how to use this thing, so I don't want to waste my money. What? Oh, okay. I thought it said 75,000 because it's literally more. Okay. Yo. Okay, come on. Okay, oh my god. Oh, what should we buy? I don't think I will ever even afford the magic carpet, but I'm never gonna give up. I will change my sitting position. Ah! There was a oh my god! Where's 32? 32. 32. Ugh. So tired. Okay. Let's drink this. La 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 la. Okay, I'm so sorry. Oh, presents! I like presents. I actually like presents a lot because gifts! Gift! 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 The gift! The gift! The gift! I know. Wait. Yes! I won second place! Wait. Let me... Yes! Oh my god! I just went here. I just went there. Wait, I think it's... Oh. Yay! I could just walk here and okay. Bro, what is this notification? Okay. Oh my god. Dixon. Rob the bank, guys, don't do this. You can only do this in real life. HP. Yes! I just skipped. Yeah! I am done. Get this coin. Okay, guys, that is it for today. Bye bye.